Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise. So today's video we got two more Case G Hot Wheel black boxes, or Amazon black boxes. In the previous video where I opened up two of the Case Gs, I actually got some crazy Hot Wheels. Yes, Super Treasure Hunt involved with that, so definitely go check out that video. There's going to be a link in the description down below. Also, I'm really hoping that this video is going to be crazy as well, because that last one, you do not want to miss it. Definitely go check out the previous video after you finish this one. But let me go ahead and get with unboxing this so we can go ahead and get started. But if you guys want to pick up an Amazon black box, there will be a link in the description down below. You guys can go pick it up on Amazon. You can have a chance of getting the Super Treasure Hunt as well as the regular Treasure Hunt and other new cars for the kind of case letter that it is. But let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we get. Alright, so right off the bat, we got a regular Treasure Hunt. So the Rise and Climb. And if I shift that back, you can kind of see the text there behind the car with the Treasure Hunt logo. And then we got the Jeep Wagoneer. Alright, so we got the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon and a Tesla Model Y. Fiat 500e and Skate Grom. (2023) Nissan Z in red, which looks really good. And then Gotta Go. Alright, so the 1989 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG. It's got a crazy big name there. And then the X-34 Land Speeder from Star Wars. Alright, so we got Batmobile and a Solar Reflex. Alright, we got Rally Speciale and 88 Honda CRX. And no Super Treasure Hunt for this case, but we got something cool though. There's a Porsche Cayenne Turbo S, and then the Mazda Ripu in a really cool color. In the previous case, most of these cars are similar, but there was not the Mazda Ripu in there, so we'll definitely set these aside and go ahead and open up the other case. And maybe we'll get Super in this one, maybe not, but we can at least hope for it. So, but like I said, that last case unboxing with the two Case Gs was absolutely mind-blowing, so definitely go check that video out when you can. Alrighty. So we got the Nissan Z, Gotta Go, Fiat 500, Skate Grom, Dodge Challenger Demon, Tesla Model Y. I got the Jeep Wagoneer, and we got the Rise and Climb Treasure Hunt again. Alright, Porsche Taycan and the Mazda Ripu. Since we did get the Mazda, I assume we're not going to have the Corvette Treasure Hunt, or Super Treasure Hunt, but we'll see. Rally Speciale, Honda CRX. Batmobile, Solar Reflex. And we did not get the Super Treasure Hunt from either one of these two cases. I got the Land Speeder and then that Mercedes. But, like I said, the last video was absolutely crazy. And I did still get the two regular Treasure Hunts for this case. So that's actually still a pretty good turnout. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you want to see more unboxings. I do have a lot more coming. And I have all kinds of other Hot Wheels on their way. Also, I do have the Hot Wheel NFT Garage video coming soon. One of them came in so far. There's actually going to be 5 of them. So once all 5 come in, I will be making a video of unboxing all of these. But a little sneak peek, that's the Accurate NSX. And this thing looks absolutely insane. So definitely hit that subscribe button. Hit the little bell icon down below so you guys can turn on notifications. So when that video goes live, you definitely will not miss out. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.